Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2004 Toyota Camry LT Sedan. Stock reference number 4552. This shape runs from the 8th month 2002 through to the 5th month 2006. It has a 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Radiator grille. Left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Vehicle's fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear door has a couple of small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tail light. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has multiple small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We've got the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, grey vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster.